Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Pixio PX279 Wave Purple 27-inch gaming monitor. Click the link below for the best price. Let's start with the display itself. This monitor features a 27-inch Fast IPS panel with a full HD 1080p resolution. While 1080p might not be the highest resolution available, it's still the sweet spot for competitive gamers who prioritize speed and performance over pixel count, and it helps ensure you can push the most frames possible without overloading your GPU. Speaking of speed, this display boasts an impressive 240Hz refresh rate, providing ultra-smooth, tear-free visuals that give you the competitive edge in fast-paced shooters, racing sims, and esports titles. Combined with the 1 millisecond GTG response time, you get crisp, blur-free motion, which is critical for games where every millisecond counts. Adaptive sync technology is also built in, which means this monitor is compatible with both NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync systems. It helps eliminate screen tearing and stuttering, giving you buttery smooth gameplay even when frame rates fluctuate. The Fast IPS panel ensures accurate colors, wide viewing angles, and excellent contrast. This makes the Pixio PX279 not just great for gaming, but also a solid choice for general use, streaming, and even light creative work like video editing or graphic design. Design-wise, the Wave Purple finish sets this monitor apart from the crowd. It's a bold, modern look that adds personality to your gaming setup without being over the top. Whether you're going for a colorful aesthetic or just want something unique, this purple variant brings a fresh, stylish vibe to your desk. Connectivity options are solid, with DisplayPort and HDMI inputs, making it easy to connect to your gaming PC, consoles, or additional peripherals. The slim bezels also make this monitor a great choice for multi-monitor setups, giving you a more immersive viewing experience. Whether you're a competitive gamer looking for high refresh rates, a streamer wanting responsive visuals, or just someone who wants a sleek, fast, and colorful monitor for everyday use, the Pixio PX279 Wave Purple delivers excellent performance and standout style at a great price. So, if you're looking for a 27-inch Full HD gaming monitor with a 240Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond GTG response time, Fast IPS panel, adaptive sync, and a bold Wave Purple design, the Pixio PX279 is a fantastic choice. Click the link below for the best price.